Hello everyone. In this video, I will take you through the Blooprint AI Client Task Manager dashboard. You will learn how to manage tasks efficiently and monitor team progress in one centralized platform. This dashboard is designed to help you manage tasks for your brands in one place. From here, you can assign work, track progress, review dependencies, check rejected tasks, manage recurring activities, and stay updated on overall workflow. So let us begin from the top of the page. This is the entire Client Task Manager dashboard. In the center at the top, you can see the support message with the support email. If you face any issues, differences, or technical problems while using the dashboard, you can directly connect with the Blooprint support team through this email ID. On the top right, you can see the main action buttons. The first button is Export CSV. This is used when you want to download the visible data into a file for review, sharing, or record keeping. Next, we have Bulk Upload. This is useful when multiple tasks need to be added together instead of creating them one by one. Then we have New Task. This is the main button used when you want to create and assign a fresh task. Now let us move to the main navigation tabs. The first tab is Dashboard. This is the summary area where you get the overall view of tasks' performance, progress, and workload. The second tab is Dependency. This section is used to track tasks that are dependent on some other action or waiting on an input from another side. The third tab is Rejected Tasks. This is where you can review tasks that were rejected and need correction or rework. The fourth tab is Manage Recurring Tasks. This section is used for repeated activities that happen on a regular basis and need to be managed in a structured way. So let us begin with the dashboard section. As we discussed, this is the main overview page of the system, and it helps you understand the current task situation at a high level. Here you can see the filters, such as the date. You can select the days that you want to view the tasks. Select the team member filter to narrow down tasks by roles such as creative-led, marketing-led, or operation-led. Here, you can use filters such as brand, platform, task type, status, assigned by, and dependency. These filters help you narrow the data based on exactly what you want to review. Once your filters are selected, you can click on Apply to load the details and the results. If you want to clear all the filters and go back to the default view, you can use the Reset button. The dashboard also shows the summary card, such as the total tasks performed by an individual, completion rate, average time per task, and overdue tasks. These cards give a quick understanding of the current task health. New Task is one of the most important functions from the client side. Whenever you want to add a new task, click on the New Task button. Once you click on the new task, you will see a pop-up like this. Select the team member to whom you handle the request, for example, the operations lead. Then choose the relevant platform, such as Amazon, and check the task type that you want to assign the team. For example, listing. Once we click on the task type, we will mention the description for that. What is the exact correction that you need? Example under the listing, if you want to change the product title, you can mention it and you can do the description like this. Please update the product title for Amazon listing as per approved naming format. Once all the required fields are filled, review the details and click Save Task to submit it. This will create the task in the dashboard and assign it to the selected team for action. So now let's move to the dependency. This section is useful to review the tasks that are waiting on some dependency. At the top, you can see the filters for all members, according to the team members, the platform, and the client. There is also a search bar to search the dependency task directly. Below that, we have the table, which clearly shows who is handling the task for which brand and platform, what type of work it is, the status, and whether the dependencies are from the client side or other sources. In this status call, you can also see the timeline exceeded or in progress. This helps you quickly identify which dependent tasks are delayed and which ones are still moving. We also have the Action button and the Edit button. There is a clear task description which will be placed. Open the Rejected Tasks tab to view tasks that require correction or rework. This section shows the tasks that are rejected and need attention. At the top, there is a member filter which helps narrow the rejected task list. The table here is simple. It shows the member and the task description. This section is useful because it helps identify what work was not accepted and what needs to be corrected before it can move forward again. Now let us move to manage recurring tasks. This section is used for regular tasks that repeat on a fixed basis at the top right of this page. You can see Download All and Add Recurring Tasks. Download allows you to download the recurring tasks. Records, Add Recurring Task, is used when you want to create a task that will keep repeating regularly instead of creating it manually. Select the team member, for example, account, the platform you are working on, the time it is taking, the frequency, and the task, and save it. So this dashboard gives you one complete place to manage work for your brands, monitor team activity, assign tasks, review progress, and keep the workflow clear and organized. Thank you.